Are you looking to get the most out of Twitter? In this video, I will show you how to pin a tweet so it stays at the top of your profile and gets seen by more people. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to use this powerful feature. So first of all, open up your Twitter application and, for the purpose of this video, I am going to tweet something. After that, let's tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. And then let's go over to the profile. So when you are on your profile, tap on these three little dots right next to the tweet that you want to pin. After that, simply tap on Pin to Profile. And then tap on Pin. And as you can see, that tweet is now pinned at the top of my profile. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.